Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up expenses in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by understanding the different ways to record your business costs, ensuring everything is categorized correctly for tax purposes. Then, we'll dive into managing your vendors and leveraging powerful reports for better financial insights. This comprehensive guide will help you streamline your expense tracking process for accuracy and efficiency, saving you valuable time. Recording expenses in QuickBooks Online is straightforward. You can easily enter expenses from connected bank accounts, allowing QuickBooks to automatically categorize many transactions. For cash or check payments, you can manually create an expense entry. Remember to attach digital copies of receipts to each transaction for easy reference and audit readiness. This ensures all your spending is accounted for accurately. Proper categorization is vital for accurate financial reporting and tax preparation. QuickBooks Online offers a chart of accounts where you can select or create specific expense categories. Managing your vendors is also key. Create detailed profiles for each, including contact and payment terms. You can even set up recurring expenses to automate regular payments, saving you time and reducing errors. QuickBooks Online provides robust reporting tools to help you understand your spending. You can generate various expense reports, including a profit and loss statement, to gain valuable financial insights. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you make informed business decisions. Always maintain accurate and detailed records, including attached receipts, for potential audits. Using tags can further enhance your ability to track specific types of expenses.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.